In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record accidentally closed tabs on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and guys. First off, we need to open up Safari. The browser here, I have some website open. And now if we hit right here at that bottom, we can check all our open tabs now I can open. A couple of tops to show you how it works. Now we have 5 tops open, and here we got a couple of options how we can close them. Let's say I accidentally closed that top, or I can also accidentally close several tops at once. I can just long press at some top right here, and then we can, let's say, choose close other tops. This how we can easily close several tops at once. And let's say we just did it by accident, and now we would like to recover them. In this case, all we have to do is just long press plus button here. And what that will do, that will show us our Safari watch history. And from here, we can easily one by one. Every color, all closed tabs in that simple way. Basically, that's it. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.